Hey everyone, today I'm at 1610 Oaklawn Avenue. We're in a really quiet neighborhood over here. It's kind of near the Greenville Mall and close to everything Greenville has to offer, but without the noise. So, what's better? So today we're looking at a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single family home. I love this brick wall here with the fireplace. Put a TV up there. It is kind of an open concept here into your living room. Into your kitchen, we have a kitchen nook. We have tons of natural light in here. Check out this backyard. It is fenced in. Sorry about the garbage can right there. We have literally beautiful washer and dryer in here. Beautiful. And they're huge. We got a kitchen here. And like I said, it does kind of open up over here. Let's keep going. This house is not quite ready yet. It still needs a couple more repairs for turnover, but I wanted to get it on the market and I wanted to get y'all to see it. We have a pretty big bedroom right here. Pretty big closet right there. That being said, they're taking down the wallpaper in one of the bedrooms. So, it doesn't look nice now, but it's going to look nice. And that's the point. Big closet here, bedroom number 3. This is the room they're taking down the wallpaper in. So, it will look beautiful by the time y'all are ready to move in. And we have, last but not least, our bathroom in here, right off the hallway. And you might be wondering what this door is over here. It looks like a sunroom. I can't get in, but I'm going to figure out how, and I'm going to show y'all. Maybe. Ooh, here we go. I just do these on the fly sometimes. Look how cute that is in there. It is absolutely adorable. It's carpeted. There's shades so you have privacy, but you can open them for tons and tons of sun. 10 out of 10 recommend. FlagshipRentalProperty.com. Oaklawn. Apply now. Woo!
Renting from Flagship Property Management is easy and has so many advantages. You can pay your rent and make maintenance requests online. There's a 24-hour emergency maintenance hotline, and we have ethical and professional office staff along with so much more. If you like the property that you saw, schedule a viewing online at FlagshipRentalProperty.com, or as always, give us a call at 252-364-4944.